Hi, and welcome back to the Law of Attraction Manifestation and Angel Numbers channel. Join me as I dive deep into the meaning of the 7337 angel number and see if I can decode the messages it holds from above. In the realm of spiritual exploration, there's a fascinating phenomenon known as angel numbers. These are repetitive sequences of numbers that appear to us in various forms, carrying messages from the spiritual realm. Today, we're going to delve into the enigmatic 7337 angel number, which has been gaining attention for its unique vibrational frequency. By understanding this number, we can unlock valuable insights that can guide us on our life's journey. Have you ever stumbled upon an angel number, only to find yourself scratching your head, wondering what it means? You're not alone. Many of us have been there, feeling both intrigued and confused by these mystical codes. The truth is, angel numbers can be perplexing, especially when we try to decipher them on our own. That's why it's essential to approach these messages with clarity and an open heart, allowing us to tap into their profound wisdom. One of the main reasons people struggle to understand angel numbers is that they overlook the importance of individual digits. Each number within a sequence holds a distinct energy, which, when combined, reveals a deeper message. By neglecting these subtle nuances, we risk misinterpreting the guidance being offered. It's crucial to recognize that every digit plays a vital role in conveying the overall message, and it's our responsibility to learn how to listen. In the case of the 7337 angel number, we have a complex interplay of energies at work. The number 7 is often associated with spiritual awakening, introspection, and wisdom. It's a call to explore the mysteries of the universe and to trust our inner guidance. The number 3, on the other hand, represents creativity, manifestation, and positive energy. When we combine these two potent digits, we're reminded to stay grounded while pursuing our spiritual aspirations. As we dive deeper into the 7337 angel number, we begin to unravel a profound message that speaks directly to our soul. The number 7, which appears 3 times, amplifies its energy, urging us to focus on our spiritual growth and development. The number 3, which follows, serves as a reminder to balance our spiritual pursuits with practical, creative expression. This powerful combination is a call to integrate our spiritual aspirations with our everyday lives, allowing us to manifest our desires in harmony with the universe. The 7337 angel number is an invitation to elevate our consciousness, to see the world from a higher perspective, and to trust that our thoughts and emotions are being heard by the universe. It's a reminder that we're not alone in our journey, and that guidance is always available to us, if we're willing to listen. By embracing this message, we can tap into a sense of inner peace, confidence, and purpose. As we've explored the 7337 angel number, it's become clear that this sequence holds a profound significance for those who are willing to receive its guidance. By understanding the individual digits and their combined energy, we can unlock a powerful message that speaks directly to our soul. If you've had experiences with angel numbers or have been seeing the 7337 sequence repeatedly, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. What insights have you gained from these mystical messages? Share your stories and let's explore the realm of angel numbers together. And if you are new to the channel, please like and subscribe. Also, want to know what the truth in your stars says about you? Check out my website link in the video description or bio on the main channel page. You'll be glad you did. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your day.